Crimson Desert investing isn't just hype. Here's exactly what your portfolio could look like if you buy in today. In 5 minutes, I'll show you step by step how I analyzed Crimson Desert assets, what I bought, and why. You'll see the MetaX marketplace in action, breakdown of the tokenomics, and the potential ROI if Crimson Desert takes off or if it flops. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find undervalued Crimson Desert assets, use AI tools to spot trends the crowd misses, avoid the #1 mistake costing new investors thousands. Timestamp 0:30 Why this matters. Alright, why care about Crimson Desert investing in 2026? Simple. Since launch last fall, Crimson Desert has shot into the top 3 metaverse platforms with over 6.2 million active users and nearly $400 million in asset trades so far, according to MetaX. But here's where it gets interesting. In Q1 this year, the top 5% of land parcels outperformed even ETH, with some properties spiking 28% in value in a single month. Meanwhile, over 60% of new buyers lost money flipping combat skins or utility gear chasing quick hype. Crimson Desert investing is exploding, but the real profit is in spotting the difference between what's trending and what actually holds value. You can't just throw money at the floor price and pray. There's real strategy here and most people don't see it yet. Timestamp 1:30 Prerequisites. What you need first before you jump in, here's what you need, just the basics, no fluff. 1. *** a MetaX account. *** that's the only official marketplace for Crimson Desert assets. 2. *** a crypto wallet with at least 0.15 ETH. Ethereum is still the entry token, at least for 2026 standards. Right now that's about $494, but the minimum to actually invest smart is closer to $1,000. 3. *** multi-factor authentication. *** yes, it's boring, but I've seen 3 friends lose access to assets worth 5-figure because they skipped this. Trust me, 4. That's it, no special gaming skills needed, no whitelist drama. Timestamp 2:00 Step by step, how to analyze and buy Crimson Desert assets. Step 1. Log into MetaX and set your filters. Go to MetaX. Log in and navigate to Crimson Desert. Click Marketplace, set your filters to show only land and check sort by ROI last 90 days. If you're looking for NFTs, skip skins for now. They're saturated and 90% have lost value since February. Step 2. Use AI signals to spot trends. Launch MetaX's free AI signals tool. Link in description, not sponsored. Paste in Crimson Desert's main contract address. Let the AI spit out which plots have increased wallet concentration or sudden bidding spikes. Here's where it gets interesting. Over the past 6 weeks, AI flagged District PX as accumulated by whales, while District DX flagged strong user activity. Those who followed the AI last month would have seen a 14% return on PX 112 and a 7% bump on DX 97. Step 3. Due diligence. Tokenomics check. Click on a plot. Open the asset details. Scroll down to historical owners. Do you see repeating buyer? That's usually a flip zone. Avoid. Look for assets held over 90 days. Those are diamond hands for a reason. Open the utility staking tab. See if the land yields any in-game currency. Last month, the base yield on District DX was 12.6% APRIN $CDE tokens, but only for unbroken parcel. Step 4. Ready to buy. Check recent sales. Never buy at the ask. Scroll to recent sales and look at the last 10 actual deals. In March, District PX floor was listed at 2.34 ETH, but deals cleared at 2.21. That's $43 difference per asset in April values. Bid at least 3-5% below the active floor. Most sellers accept if you have a verified wallet and rated transaction. Step 5. Execute and secure. Place your bid. Double check your wallet address and 2-factor. Once it's confirmed, transfer your asset out of MetaX's hot wallet and into a cold wallet. 4 major hacks this year alone have hit custodial wallets. Don't risk it. Step 6. Portfolio tracking. Set up alerts with Asset Guardian or use a free tracking sheet. I'll link mine below. This gives you instant notifications of floor movement or sudden spikes so you can act fast. Timestamp 8:00 Pro tips. How to maximize value as a 2026 buyer. 1. *** watch for event land. *** plots near Crimson Desert's seasonal event locations jumped up to 22% overnight this spring during the Skyfall campaign. AI signals caught this a day before the surge, worth setting up. 2. ** liquidation triggers. ** use MetaX's auto buy setting to scoop up panic listing. In March, 37 prime plots liquidated in 24 hours due to guild collapse, and 2 friends made 16% ROI in 4 days just buying those dumps. 3. Tax optimization. In 2026, digital asset gains over $600 are flagged with IRS 8,949. Connect MetaX to CoinTracker. It tags every sale and preps your tax export. Save me hours and a lot of headache. Timestamp 9:00 results and what's next. Let's look at real numbers. My Crimson Desert test portfolio. $2,750 invested in 3 plots since February. PX 112 plus 14%. $1 145 right arrow $1 316 DX 97 plus 7% $800 right arrow $856 Omega 33 skin minus 3% $805 right arrow $781 net result. My land picks are up, but collectible skins still negative. So Crimson Desert investing in 2026 is not a get-rich-quick play. The upside is real, but only if you use these AI tools. Do your due diligence and avoid the FOMO pumps. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day and you don't want to miss the next one. Timestamp 9:40 Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new metaverse investing content every single day. The next story is even crazier. If you like this, watch our deep dive on top 5 game asset investments for 2026 to see if Crimson Desert really stacks up against the competition. Disclaimer: not financial advice. All investing involves risk. Past performance is not guaranteed.